beats in my Panama. Promise till I buy leads with the data. When it's 17, just to fly back. Just to fly back. Come on, catch for me. Come on, for that. Yeah, that's something to
Nick, say hello to the vlog. Hello, hello. Say hello to the vlog. You soon see her.
Hello for the vlog before I come back in the car.
Say hello to the vlog. Roger. Yes, man, do it for the vlog. Yeah.
It's just beer, but it's so great. Come on belly, I'm just beer. Asian trade, couple just here. Look, choose, put me Louis V, tough shades, get bad man. Some move, some rock, some sip, move you. I just watched it. I like how she did it. Now all of my she did what?
3 hours.
3 hours?
Cane road. And then because you have to blow dry the glue. Miss Miserable, you finally pee-pee. Me deserve better. Me now walk through K and Keys. Me now do it. Me now you know it.
Which way do we exit? Over here or over there? Over here.
Yeah, that way.
I don't know which one is.
I don't want to go on my yard, you know.
I got babies home. My granddaughter's watching them. I want to go send her home.
Where?
Why didn't she go on the side?
We back at it again. Where we there? Where we there? Where we there?
We're not there yet. I'm just kidding.
Where we there? Where we there? Where are we?
Carnival Beaches. Carnival.
Beaches.
That's your Vinci thing.
What
woohee.
On my woohee.
Who that is?
Wee-hoo. How are we enjoying Caravana? It's hot.
It's popping. It's hot, but it's good.
It's hot. How are you enjoying Caravana Carnival? Yeah, you're enjoying it. Okay. Okay, it's after Carnival, and this concludes the ending of my vlog. Honestly, right now I'm supposed to be getting some sleep. I'm actually supposed to be packing for my vacation, which you guys will see where I'm going as usual. And yeah, I just had a good summer. I mean, you guys seen in the previous clips that I went to Sandz, and then you guys just seen Caravana, like Carnival weekend in Toronto. And to be honest, it was lit. The vibes were there. My friends look good. Every one of my friends them look good. And yeah, I wouldn't change nothing about anything, you know? I'm so blessed to have good people in my life, good vibes. Yeah, it's a good time. So if you like this vlog, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and hit that bell for notification. And yeah, I will see you soon. Bye.